Hello everyone, I'm here on this beautiful street to show you the 2-bedroom units in this building, Argyle, or building number 4. The building is located at the intersection of Montgomery and this is Hardie. This parking, if you find it, is free, and Hardie extend all the way there, so it's very nice and quiet area. The building is located in one of the best school districts in Pennsylvania. Here to show you a 2-bedroom and 1-bath unit. This is what the outside look like. Very quiet residential area. Let's get in and see what the inside of the unit look like. Here you have mailboxes, and the unit is on a lower floor. I just left the door open for this video. Unit number D2 of Argyle. As you walk in, the first place you see is this huge living room with 3 windows for a natural light. As you could see, the place gets a lot of natural light. You have a window unit for the air, and it's a radiator here for the house. It's a central. The landlord pays for the heat. You pay for electric. In the living room, we have this nice closet space. That's a beautiful floor. And next is your dining space. It is huge, as big as the living space. You have 2 huge windows for a natural light. Looking out to the Hardie. I was there a minute ago. To the window. That is where you have your bedrooms. The next room on my right is your kitchen. Nice size kitchen. You have everything. You have similar window, big window, 2, 1 here, 1 here, and plenty of storage cabinet. All right, the kitchen has a gas oven and cooktop, a refrigerator, and a stocked up laundry machine, and also a nice size pantry. Then you have this hallway. In the hallway on my left, you see you have a closet space. Sorry, I should turn this light on. Will give you. All right. The door you see here is a door that takes you to the back of the building. Here is where residents keep their trash. There is also a fire exit for the residents of the building. I'm going back to the apartment again. All right, so this door, it is a 2-bedroom unit. 1 bedroom on the left hand side, 1 bedroom on my right. In between there is a full bath The first bedroom on my right looks like this. It has a nice window and two closet space. And here it has a drop ceiling. The ceiling is a drop ceiling. The whole unit has a drop ceiling. This is the bathroom. You have nice bathtub and shower combo. You have a toilet, window for fresh air, medicine cabinet. You have this sink, and also you have closet or storage place for your towels. And you have this door, and also you have this door from the bedroom. This door takes you to the bedroom on the left, and the other door takes you to the bedroom on the right. Just came to this bedroom. It is almost similar in size, but this one has only one closet, the other one has two. Here is the closet space. This is the angle from this side. Alright, this is the other bedroom. I would say this could be a master bedroom because it has two closets. In terms of size, they both very similar, equal in size, I would say. Alright, I just showed you D2 of the Argyle building. It is a 2-bed, 1-bath apartment. I hope you like the video, hope you like the unit. Thank you for watching.